Hi, my name is Wiktor Stawski and together with Kinga Skorupska we will present the results of an experiential study on 3D printing conducted during a 14-day simulated lunar mission in icy conditions with two 3D printers available. We wanted to know how small isolated communities can thrive with 3D printing to become more self-sufficient. During the mission, 5 English-speaking volunteers who became analog astronauts participated in extravehicular activities for EVAs on a simulated lunar surface. They also participated in a series of workshops aimed to make them more familiar with 3D printing, but also to discuss their areas of needs related to their responsibilities in the habitat. The prints were gathered and documented in a 3D printing log throughout the mission. In an organic way, the astronauts designed and printed a few types of items that were helpful for them for performing their tasks, especially the EVAs. These were the warp suit collar, as the suit's original collar broke and did not hold the helmet in place, gloves for the suit so that anyone could fit in them, and air circulation systems for 2 other suits. They also printed a photo booth for the biolab and a pin to commemorate their social activity, Bollywood dancing.
We have found that 3D printing needs emerged from a few sources. First, repairing failed equipment like the warp suit. Second, improving quality of life for scheduled tasks like the EVAs. Third, improving and supporting experiments such as the biolab booth, and finally facilitating the sense of community, like the pin. The crew could print anything they wanted, but this made them attempt a lot of prints, which, together with what previous crews made, resulted in discard boxes of failed prints. So, tidy storage and description solutions are recommended with a filament shredder to recycle unused prints. Pollution was another challenge, especially in the small space. It was not only toxic gases, but also higher temperature and sound. Better insulation, air filtration, and a set of sensors could mitigate possible health hazards. The co-design approach, with the mission engineer facilitating the design of print requests, was helpful, as the crew had unique know-how of what it was they needed. Despite these challenges, we conclude that 3D printing holds much promise to meet the specialized needs of small, isolated communities. Thank you.